I didn't make the slicer, I'm just the seller, but I can help you learn to use it. I only ask one thing. Destroy this hollow when you're done. The last thing I need is to get heat for this. You can use the slicer on stationary terminals like this one. Scan any of these points to get 4 different data packets. Obviously, you have to stay near the terminal to get the data, and you only have a limited amount of time before the terminal's security systems detect you and boot you out. It will also work on datacards like this one. You just scan it, and then the slicer will load automatically. It takes a minute or 2, depending on the strength of your HoloNet connection. Be patient. The Empire wasn't built in a day. It won't be destroyed in a day either. Then you have to extract the data. That's this red block here. You'll need to move all the other blocks out of the way so you can pull this one down. If the data packet is small, you'll see it here at the bottom. Otherwise, it will need to load separately, like this one. That's all the help I can give you. Come see me on Boulevard if you really...
What's going on in there?
Blast.